An animal like me, George, Mama Pig, and Daddy Pig. P I Pig. You can play lots of games with this, but mine and George's favorite is piggy in the middle. Ball. This is the color of my dress. E D. Red. This is where we go for our lessons with Madame Kissel. O L. My favorite thing is to jump up and down in one of these. U D. Puddle. This is colorful bird. Granny and Grandma Pig have one called Polly. P T. Parrot. You can talk to your friends when they are not in the same place as you with one of these. O N. Telephone. George and I love to ride these outside. I have learned how to ride mine without stabilizers. C. Y. Bicycle. Mommy Pig works at home on this, and you are using this to play on now. M E. Computer. Well done!